Hello there. Today we learned about object-oriented programming. So this is the first stage where we doesn't write all the code. Instead we use classes from codes that people have written before and implement them and use them. So yesterday I wrote the whole code for a coffee machine. Today I will make a coffee machine again, but instead use code that people have written before. So to start, we first, of course, import all these different classes that we call them, I think. So here we can see we have a coffee maker class. We have a class with the menu item. We have a class with the menu. And then we have a money machine class. And in these classes, or in these different classes, there are methods like these. So methods are basically functions. And then we have, let's see here, if I can find some attributes. Yeah, and here we have attributes from the money machine. So these are functions, of course. They are called the, what was it now again? Sorry. A method. Functions are methods, and variables are attributes for the class. So now we start here. First, we begin by moving a class. So here I moved the menu class into an object called choose. And then I made it so from the object choose, I wanted to use the method get items. So we go and check the menu again. Oh, sorry. I wanted to get the items. So it returns all the names of the available menu items. And then, so we can actually run it here. I don't want to run that one. I want to run the current file. So get items should be, returns all the items. And that, these items then, I will use in the future. Because then I make a new object that I call make coffee, which is from the class coffee maker. And then I make another object called money machine. So here in the beginning, basically I just make the new objects. And then in the future, we can skip the while loop for now, but it's basically, I can just explain it. The while loop is just on if I'm ordering coffee. It's not more advanced than that. Then I have the order name, which is the input. What do you want to order? And then the chosen coffee equals is what I then want to order. I should actually change this here to espresso, latte, and how do I even spell cappuccino? cappuccino, like that. So here, wait, I should actually be able to do this. Sorry, I should actually make it like this. That one, and I am getting shoes, get items. Let's try this here. Let's run it again, stop and return, and yeah, voila, that's why I did this, to get the items. Sorry. So here I choose what I want to get. So I choose the latte, espresso, cappuccino. Then chosen coffee is what I ordered, and I use this method to find the drink from the menu. So choose is the menu, and find drink is a method within menu or a function. And then here I put in the order name to get my chosen coffee. So and the chosen coffee now is let's see here. It's chosen coffee, choose menu. So here it chooses. So if I write in latte, it will make a new object called menu item. So from here it will make a dictionary with what it uses. 200 milliliters of water, 150 milliliters of milk, 24 grams of coffee, and it also converts the cost. And then I will continue here. So first I have a report one, and then I have an off statement as well. But we can go to the last part first. So now basically I've chosen what type of coffee I want. No more than that. I haven't ordered any coffee. I just have said to the machine I want to order this. So first I check for the price. And that the price is the chosen coffee, and then I take the attribute from that chosen coffee, which is the cost. The attribute is this, the cost. You can see here. Then I actually see if I can make the coffee. So here I take make coffee, which is the object from the class coffee maker. Then I use the method, is the resources sufficient? So I see if I have enough water, milk, or coffee. And then to know what type or see how I have enough resources, I of course take my chosen coffee. So here, which would be if I choose a latte, do I have enough resources to make the latte? Do I have 200 milliliters of water, and so forth and so forth. And if it's possible to make the coffee, I start making the payment function. So paid is then equal to paying, which is the object from the money machine class. And then I use the method make payment, which will, let's see here, I choose the latte. I have enough. So now I will go into the paid method here. So I choose the quarters like 15, 5, 0, 0. Okay. So that just went into the payment. And if that also goes through, so if made it is true and paying is true, then I will actually make the coffee. So now here is my latte, enjoy. So, and I get my change back and what I want to order, and it goes again. Then we also needed to have 2 more functions. We needed to make a report. Alright, report to show how much is available left. Of course, it would say, well, that item is not available, but that doesn't matter because I want to check out the water, the milk, the coffee, the money. And now I see I only have 100 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of milk, 76 grams of coffee. So if I want to make a latte again, it won't work because I don't have enough water and I don't have enough milk. And this is the project. It's the same as yesterday, just a lot faster and simpler to make with a lot less code because I use old functions and methods from code that other people has made. So that was today's lesson, to learn about object-oriented coding, which was a little bit hard to grasp, but when you got it, it went quite quick. So thank you for listening and have a good day.